movies and TV shows all in your Amazon Fire TV stick. Short code for you, and it's so much quicker. 370178. Then we can come down and hit go. If we just highlight the find icon, and we can pull down and it brings up the search menu, we're going to type in downloader. So DOW, and it brings up this orange icon. Download it and install it onto our device. Downloader gives us the ability to sideload applications onto our Amazon Fire Stick. Hit the home button on our remote and go all the way to the settings icon. Not Jailbreak or Fire Stick. Highlight my Fire TV. I do have developer options listed. If you do not have it listed, don't worry. Click on About, and here highlight where it says Fire TV Stick. Use the select button about 7 to 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No need, you're already a developer. Back on our remote. So now we have developer options. Highlight it and select onto it. We can turn ADB debugging on. Come down to install unknown apps. Click that, and downloaders here listed. We just turn it on. That, folks, is the jailbreak. We didn't jailbreak anything. We changed an option. That was it. So we don't jailbreak these Fire Sticks. So I'm going to actually leave it off, because further on in this, I'll show you how we don't even have to do this entire step at all. The Fire Stick does it for us. Head back to the home screen. We'll open up Downloader. Allow Downloader to access movies, files, and photos on our device. A quick start guide. We can click OK. Now here, Downloader works just like a web browser. So you can type in any URL, like say https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a real short code for you, and it's so much quicker. So we can click OK once and then twice, and it brings up a keyboard for us to type in this shortcut. 370178. Then we can come down and hit go. Automatically sends it to the Led by the Unknown webpage. And on this page, we got some videos, some tutorials, how-tos. So if we head down, and here we have like the best apps for 2025, movies and TV shows, HD. Click the blue button, automatically starts downloading it onto our device. And then, downloader. For security reasons, your TV is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source, because I turned it off. Our jailbreak, no jailbreak section. The Fire Stick wants to make sure Downloader is allowed to do this. So if we just follow the settings, so click Settings, and here, Install Unknown Apps, we'll click on it, and then highlight Downloader and turn it on. This gives Downloader the ability to now sideload applications onto our device. We back out one, back out twice, and it reopens Downloader to continue the installation of that one file. So here it says we're successfully downloaded, so press install. Down in the bottom right, we can highlight install and click on it. And remember, we only have to do that the once. It's not going to ask us to change the setting for Downloader anymore. And now that the application's installed, we just highlight done and click done. And then we can come back and we delete the installation file. So delete and delete. It did send us back to the Downloader's homepage, and that's okay. We can just click go, and in here we can type in our short code. If you didn't write it down, we can type in 370178 and hit go. Now, in order to prevent us from having to do the redirect all the time, we use the 3-line button on our remote. Here, while the page is loaded, we can add current page to the favorites. We can save it or name it and save it, and it'll be right here in the favorites toolbar in order to just upload it instead of putting in the short code or the full URL. Let's get back to finding what we wanted to download. Next one, we can click on Stream, small little application. So over Install, and here we can hit Done, and then delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete, we're good to go. It is our number one. We got Flicks, Check out that video. And here, you can click on Flicks for the install. Downloads it right to our device again. Down on the bottom right, click Install. And then highlight Done and click on Done. We can delete the installation file. And we can confirm the delete. Let's find out where these applications went. Let's go to the home screen. Push the home button on our remote. We can go all the way to the 3 squares plus sign there. Our apps and games section. And the last applications that we download end up at the very bottom of the list. So if your list is really long, it may be further down. But we can just 3-line button on our remote. Move to the front. This is pretty much how I have mine. So I usually 3-line. I'll move that guy to here. Live. Move him to here. Flicks. Always up front. Oh. Sports. Move that one. It's kind of how mine's set up. You can do yours different. Check out stream. We move it somewhere up here too if you want. Nice and easy. When we go to our home screen, we have the applications we actually want to use up front and center. Check in there. More applications are getting added all the time. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick tips and tricks. Follow along. Happy streaming. Peace.